Hello viewers, we'll be going over TQQ and SQQ. In this video, we'll be using the day-by-day probability model as our support and resistance gauges, and these models are based on past trends that are similar to the current trend but not identical, so do keep that in mind. So let's start off with TQQ. It closed below 3% on Friday on the 1-hour chart. We are near oversold RSI earlier on Friday morning. However, we since reversed that in the afternoon and we see a convergence on the 1-hour MACD. As for the 4-hour chart, we bounce right off the 200 moving average, this green line, and we have no sign of it converging on the 4-hour MACD, and we are near oversold RSI. If we extend that further onto the daily chart, we close below the 18-day moving average, this purple line, and we start to see a divergence on the daily MACD. And we are seeing a slightly higher volume to the downside. And these upper and bottom trading ranges are based on the day-by-day probability model. So if we progress to the 5th day, we have a 33% chance for it to climb higher between 0 to 10%, and to the downside a 58% for it to fall between 0 to negative 10%, and an 8% chance for it to fall between negative 10% to negative 21%. So we'll be using up 10% and down 10% as our upper and bottom trading ranges. And on the upper trading range, or for resistance, that is around the price of $118.13. And for the bottom range, that is around the price of $97.24. And that coincides with the 50-day moving average, that's the yellow line, and previous resistance levels that date back to June 10th. And since we're above resistance, that now act as our support. So for SQQ, it closed above 2.9% on Friday. As for the 1-hour chart, we are nearing overbought RSI. We have now reached to positive MACD. If we extend that further, that was for the 4-hour chart, but for the 1-hour chart, we see a slight divergence, and we're still near overbought RSI, and rebounds right off the 18 moving average, this purple line. As for the daily chart, what we have here, the upper and bottom trading ranges are based on the day-by-day probability model, and if we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 30% chance for it to climb between 0 to 7.5%, and to the downside a 50% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 7.5%, and a 20% chance for it to fall between negative 7.5% to negative 15%. So we'll be using up 7.5% and down negative 7.5% as our support and resistance levels. And on the upper range, that is around a price of $7.29, and that coincides with previous support levels that dated back to June 23rd. And as for support to the downside, we have a price of $6.18, and that coincides with previous support levels that dated back to July 10th and as well as July 20th. And in this video, we went over TQQ and SQQ. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.